Here in the video, we are going to talk about Sparkdriver error code 492CB. The error reads, cannot read property containers of undefined application error. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. The error comes when users try to handle shopping orders or scans in the Sparkdriver app, but the app throws this error and doesn't allow the process to complete. According to our research, this error might be caused by a glitch in the app, outdated version of the app, poor internet connection, or it may be a system-side issue. The first thing we suggest is to exit the Sparkdriver app completely and then open it again. Once done, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check if the Sparkdriver app needs to be updated. If any update is available, install it and check for the error. If the error still persists, try disconnecting and reconnecting your internet. Once reconnected, open the app and see if the error still comes. If the error still continues, then uninstall and reinstall the Sparkdriver app. After reinstalling, check if this helps with the error. At last, if the error still persists, then it could be a system-side issue. In this case, wait for some time and try again. In case you want to be sure of the situation, then you can reach out to the Sparkdriver support team. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.